Welcome back to Home and Kitchen Finds, your go-to spot for discovering the best tools that make cooking easier, faster, and way more fun. Today, we're diving into one of the most loved kitchen essentials, hand mixers. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, a good hand mixer can save you tons of time while keeping your recipes consistent and delicious. We've rounded up 5 of the best, from budget-friendly picks to pro-level performers, so let's get mixing. If you're looking for something compact and reliable, this one might just be the hidden gem of hand mixers. The Ovente 5-speed electric hand mixer features 5 adjustable speeds, ranging from 1, lowest, to 5, highest, letting you choose the ideal speed for every recipe. Whether you're whipping cream, making butter, beating egg whites, or preparing mashed potatoes, this little mixer gets it done. It's powered by a 150-watt motor and comes with 2 stainless steel whisk beaters that mix and whip ingredients with ease. From folding in nuts to creating light, fluffy meringues, it handles it all smoothly. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the easy eject button ensures you never have to touch messy attachments. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe the motor body with a damp cloth and toss the whisk beaters into the dishwasher. Plus, the snap-on storage case keeps everything neatly organized so your beaters never go missing. It's a lightweight, affordable, and efficient little helper for every home baker. This one's for the people who love practical design and reliability. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters, a whisk, and a snap-on storage case, so you'll never lose an attachment again. It features 6 different speed settings, plus a quick burst button for that extra push of power when you need it. With 250 watts of mixing strength, it easily handles anything from whipping cream to mixing cookie dough packed with chocolate chips and nuts. The bowl rest feature is a genius addition. It stabilizes the mixer on the edge of your bowl, so drips land where they should, not on your counter. The parts are dishwasher safe, and ejecting the beaters is as easy as pressing the speed dial. This hand mixer is all about simplicity, power, and keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Now we're stepping it up a notch. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer combines power, precision, and versatility in one sleek design. It packs a 220-watt motor with automatic feedback, so it maintains power even when mixing thick batters. It also features smooth start technology with 3 low mixing speeds that eliminate splattering, perfect for neat mixing every time. You get 9 total speed options with a digital LED display and a 1-step power switch that makes adjusting settings effortless. It comes fully loaded with beaters, a chef's whisk, dough hooks, a spatula, and an instruction recipe book, all stored neatly in a sturdy snap-on case. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and built to last. With Cuisinart's 3-year limited warranty and BPA-free materials, it's a premium option that gives you full control and confidence with every mix. Next is the Westpin hand mixer. This one's the ultimate all-in-one set, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to upgrade their baking setup. Since its launch, it's been recognized by over 150,000 users, and for good reason. The hand mixer electric mixing bowl set comes with a 200-watt motor and 5 adjustable speeds, giving you the flexibility to mix anything from dough to cream. You can slowly increase speed for optimal consistency and to prevent splatter. The hand mixer includes 2 stainless steel beaters, 2 balloon whisks, and 2 dough hooks, all dishwasher safe and easy to eject with one press of a button. The set also includes 4 premium stainless steel mixing bowls in different sizes, 7, 6, 4.5, and 2.5 quarts. They're rust-proof, shock-resistant, and easy to clean, perfect for mixing, whisking, or serving. Each bowl nests neatly into the other for compact storage. And that's not all. You also get a set of 7 measuring spoons and 4 measuring cups, all made of food-grade stainless steel, with engraved measurements for accuracy. This is the complete package, an entire baking station in one box. If you love to bake or are just starting out, this is the perfect combo to keep your kitchen organized and efficient. Last but not least, we have the Nitason 600W electric hand mixer, a powerful, lightweight mixer that gets the job done in half the time. Unlike ordinary mixers, this one packs a 600-watt pure copper motor that delivers powerful, consistent performance every time. With 10 adjustable speeds and a turbo function, you can easily tackle everything from delicate whipped cream to thick cookie dough without straining your arm or wrist. The mixer includes a smart storage base that holds you 2 beaters and 2 dough hooks neatly in one place. No clutter, no mess, just a tidy, easy-to-reach setup for you next bake. And when you are done, cleanup is effortless. The stainless steel attachments are dishwasher safe, resistant to rust, and long enough to reach deep into your mixing bowl for even thorough mixing. At only 2.1 pounds, it's lightweight, ergonomic, and comfortable to use, even for long mixing sessions. Perfect for everyday bakers and dessert lovers who want both power and convenience in one compact design. From whipping eggs to kneading dough, the Nitason 600W hand mixer is your new kitchen essential. Fast, reliable, and powerful. And there you have it, the best hand mixers to level up your kitchen game this season. From powerful performance to compact convenience, there's something here for every cook and every budget. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss our next kitchen find. Thanks for watching Home and Kitchen Finds, where smart cooking meets great design. See you in